Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make quick shrimp updated. Begin by prepping shrimp, patting them dry, and preheating a skillet until it is very hot. Add a splash of oil, then arrange shrimp in a single layer without crowding. Sear each side briefly until opaque and curled, about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Finish with a squeeze of lemon, chopped herbs, and a pat of butter for extra glaze and flavor. I like simple seasonings that amplify shrimp without masking its sweetness. Toss shrimp with garlic, butter, lemon, or chili flakes depending on your mood. Marinating for just 10 minutes is plenty when time is limited. Use fresh herbs at the end for brightness, and reserve acidic ingredients like lemon until after cooking so the protein stays tender. These tweaks make fast shrimp feel fresh and intentional every time. Hey friends, if this guide is helpful, hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans crumbs and spills after dinner with voice control and smart mapping, which means less time sweeping and more time cooking. I found it hilariously helpful for post-dinner cleanup, like a tiny kitchen assistant that actually works. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. A few small tricks save time and improve results when you need shrimp fast. Keep your skillet hot, space shrimp apart, and flip only once for best sear. Thaw frozen shrimp under cold, running water to avoid long waits. If you want to stretch a meal, pair shrimp with quick sides like rice, salad, or toasted bread. These steps keep dinner speedy without sacrificing taste or texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.